Hello, let's make the yummiest egg roll.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruth Hanulapo. I'm the face behind our Love Food Concepts. Welcome. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make egg roll. Yes, you heard me, egg roll. The perfect egg roll without uncooked dough inside of it, with perfect recipe and everything. Let's get started. So here we have our boiled egg, our butter, our sugar, our nutmeg, our milk flavor, our cinnamon. And here we have our water. Then here we have our measured flour. And in here we have our baking powder. Then here's our digital scale. Though I have pre-measured all our ingredients, but I'll just be showing you through. So in here, we'll be sifting our flour into our bowl.
Please check the description box for all measurement, the accurate measurement.
In here we have our sift flour. As you can see here, it's 250 grams. Then I'll be adding other ingredient to it. Our nutmeg, our cinnamon, just is optional. I just want it to be extra. Our milk flavor, our powdered milk flavor, our baking powder, then our butter. Please, before you start, remember to always wash your hand. I've done that at my hand. So we give that a good mix. Egg roll is a very easy to do snacks. So far you have your ingredient, just simple, easy to do. Your flour, your butter, your sugar, your baking powder, your cinnamon, your nutmeg, and your boiled egg. Then your water. Egg roll is something that you can do without stress. So let's get started. Mix this. I'm taking my time because I want all the ingredients to be well incorporated. That's why I'm using my hand to work everything, to incorporate everything together. So at this moment, I'll be adding my water, and I'll be adding my water bit by bit. So please don't add all your water at once. Add bit. The texture of your flour might be harder than mine, or it might be softer than mine, depending on the product you are using. So don't add all the water all at once. Add bit by bit and mix it truly before adding the next batch. So I've exhausted my first batch of water. I'll be going on with the next batch. Then if you notice, I didn't pour everything all at once. I'm working it through bit by bit. At this point, it may look sticky and messy. Just relax. We are on point. Add a little bit of water to the.
You keep mixing until the water is evenly distributed and you have a good texture.
Through your dough until it forms a ball. At this point, our dough is ready, and as you can see, I did exhaust all the water that my recipe calls for. But at the same time, like I made mention earlier on, you don't add all your water all at once, because you might not be very sure of the texture of the flour you got from the store. So at this point, our dough is ready. Then I'll be dividing this with my cutter, and I'll be scaling it using my scale. So our dough has. So in here we have our dough, we have our flour, and we have our scale. I'll be using 65 grams. I'll be dividing into 65 grams each. Then I'll roll that in with I'll be using 65 grams each. I'll divide the dough into 65 grams each. This 65, I'll set this aside. I'll repeat the same process for everyone until I have 65 grams all round. For this measurement, 65 grams should give us about now we had about 7 and a little piece left. So at this point, I'll flatten my dough with my palm, just the way I'm doing it. Pretty easy. You can dip your hand into your flour so it won't stick to your hand. At this point, you would be wrapping your egg into it. And when you are making egg roll, please make sure you are not using fresh egg. The reason why I said so it will be easy for you to peel your egg after boiling. Like this egg here is a fresh egg that I got from the farm. I purposely used this so I can. I flatten my dough. I'm rolling my egg into the flour. Then we'll tuck it in. You gently pinch it to close up the edges. Gently pinch it. And here we have it. At this point, all you just have to do is to roll it with your roll it in between your palm, and wherever you feel like it's light, you just adjust it, or wherever you feel or you sight that is open, you would adjust it with the tip of your finger. Please don't pinch. You are just molding like I'm doing here. You repeat the same process for every other ones that you have, then you fry. Please note, when it comes to egg roll, you are deep frying. That's why I'm using a small pot. Then try to make your oil to be at least a little close to half of it.
For some natural flavor, add a few pieces of onions into your oil.
Gently, you through your perforated spoon, drop your egg roll into the oil so it won't splash. Or in case you are scared of hot oil, you repeat the same process for every other one, and you keep a close watch on it. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the end result of our egg roll. So as you can see, these sides are more brown than this one. So when your egg roll is in the oil, keep a close watch at it so it won't get too brown. Although I made this purposely because some people love theirs to be brown while some love it to be light. So let me cut through so you can see that it is evenly fried and that there is no uncooked dough in it. Can you see that? So thank you for joining this class. Till we meet again, please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel for exciting recipe and tutorial. Thank you. Till we meet again. Bye for now.